Hello everyone, in this small little video we will take care of setting up NTP on OPNSense. Basically the network time protocol is what helps keep your clocks accurate, which is very good. Anyone should be using NTP. Basically, if you're in a home lab or in a server environment, it's very important that different clients on the network have accurate time, specifically when you're delving into log files. So first thing we're gonna do, if you have an OPNSense, log into it. Basically, you use your browser, go to the web interface, do a login. I'm already logged in. And what we want to do is we want to go under Services, Network Time, and General. And here you can see by default NTP is activated. The thing that I always change is the NTP pool or the NTP servers, but that's totally up to you. What I did here, I selected the de-poolntp.org for Germany, which is a pool of many servers that all run NTP or the NTP daemon, and I set it to prefer because I want to use that server. The others I deselected by setting do not use. An important thing to remember is if you want to run NTP in your lab or at home, make sure that you selected the correct interfaces for NTP to listen on. If you select nothing in OPNSense, it listens on all interfaces, which is what I did. After that, you're basically going to save it. I already did so. And you can, if you like, you can restart the service, stop it, and start it again, as you wish. The next step we're going to do, let me get a terminal open here, is we want to configure, in my case I use systemd timesyncd. You could use cronny or NTP, whatever you want. I use systemd. What we're going to do is we edit etc systemd timesync.conf, and here you can see there's already some servers defined. You can see the NTP and the fallback NTP line. NTP is the main service we're going to use, or the main pools we use, and fallback, well, as the name suggests, it's a fallback option. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to delete all of this, and I'll add my OPNSense as the NTP server of choice. Save that file. After that is done, you can restart the service just like that, and we want to check the status. So to do that, we can use timedatectl, which is a systemd program, and you can give it the timesync status argument. And in here you can see, okay, there's the poll interval, okay, there's the server, it's correctly configured, and it should work. You can check if all is right with timedatectl, but you can also, if you're like me, if you want to make really sure it does work, we can use leverage Wireshark. I already have a capture open here. Let me just quickly clear that. There we go. And what we're going to do now is we are going to restart timesyncd. So we basically trigger it to synchronize instantly. And there you go. I filtered for NTP queries, and you can see there's a server and a client query, and the time synchronization was successful. However, be careful, check your packet captures, make sure you're getting a lease that you can query the NTP server, and not just trust it to be working. Because I found out, I made a mistake before, I can show you. If you put the address of the server in quotes, timesyncd will interpret that as the name or the IP of the server. So be careful with that. That could be indeed a trap. But as you can tell from the output here, we are synchronized and everything is running totally fine and okay. Hope you liked this little video, and you guys take care, and hopefully the next year will be a good one. Goodbye.